kitty, kitty.
And you'll know. Let the kitty come down. Come on, kitty, kitty. Freaking bird just flew right, like, by my face.
And you.
Did you see the chicken?
Kitty, kitty, kitty.
Here, kitty, 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 kitty. Come to mama. Kitty, 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 kitty. Looks like a man. It's a war zone down there, he says.
The other animals are allowed to get attention in you.
Yeah. Look at her. She's like, I don't understand. I can't chase the kitties. I can't chase the chickens. Everybody thinks my killer dog just kills my animals, but she really doesn't. Look at that. The dog did not kill the domestic animal. Now they're in my garlic again and my onions. I don't know where Kitty went. Oh, right there. Kitty's by the horseradish.
What's she doing, baby?
Just hanging out.